Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave. And as always, haven't we got a good one lined up for you today? Some new stuff in the den. We'll go through it in a minute. Okay, let's get this brush into soak. Courtesy of Frank Shaving. Thank you, Frank's kindly gifted me that for the channel. Thank you, Frank. And if you go to Frank Shaving and use code John101, I think you get a 5% discount. There you go. We're going to put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. That's the brush sorted out. Aftershave splash. I've got a bit of vintage by Menon skin bracer. And I thought if we're using that, we'll use by Menon after for some aftershave balm. I smell like those two. Absolutely wonderful. The razor we're going to be using, courtesy of Mr. Wolf again, is Yates Precision Manufacturing Merica razor. There you go. That's beautiful razor. I'm going to put that down here for a minute. We'll have a look at some specs on that in a minute on the tablet. What we're going to be putting in it, a Schick. Like these a lot, guys. I wish I'd got more when I was in the US, but they were unknown quantities, so I just got the 2 tucks and I gave one away. But anyway, come on. A flyer on today. I'm running late again. Had to go to the doctors about the back. Oh guys, there's a performance. I'll explain. You see it, shit, nice looking blades these as well. The triple cut, these are very sharp and very smooth. They're fastly becoming a real favourite of mine, these. There you go. We'll put that in there. Look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, that must have just been the way the light was catching it. And what are we using? Come on. The shaving soap. Special one today, guys. This is what we're using from Pinnacle Grooming. Autism. It's not a disability. It's a different ability. And I can certainly testify to that. I've known several autistic people in my life and they have all been exceptionally gifted. I mean, they really, really have. There you go. Never frown on people with autism. Pinnacle Grooming decided and created this wonderful, innovative soap. 100% of funds raised from the sales of this go to the National Autistic Society. Now, just pause a minute. That tells you something about this company, doesn't it? There you go. They're a good company. They're an ethical company. They've been good to me and they've been good to this channel. I mean, I'll put it out there. I've got, you know what I mean? I'm not hiding anything. But there you go. That tells you something about them. Check this out, guys. I don't know if you can still get this, by the way. This is a different website. I couldn't find this on theirs. It says top notes of nutmeg and green apple, heart notes of tonka bean and rose, base notes of patchouli and vanilla. I get the green apple, the tonka bean, the patchouli and the vanilla. What does it smell like? There it is. It's a sample. I've come in. I forgot my shaving ball. There it is. Do you know what it smells like to me, guys? It smells like brute. But that's just my nose. Yours may be different. Let me go and grab a bowl. And we're back. Let's close this. We're back. What bowl did I get? There you go. I got my Goodfellas Smile Pereira bowl. I've put it already in there. And what I did, guys, I wanted to show you, you get 10 of these samples. And that was really packed right in there. So I got this knife. Can you see it? And I cut right down the middle, and then down the middle of that one, down the middle of that one. 4 equal thirds, and I scooped 1/4 out. So there's a quarter of a sample in there. You can see that there. So I'm aiming to prove you can get 4 shaves out of these samples. Now you can get 10 of these on Pinnacle Grooming's website for the princely sum of £10. Right, if you can get 4 shares, what's that? Look, there they are. There's some pretty good stuff, guys. Go and check them out. Pinnacle did actually get in touch with me and say, since I mentioned it last time, they have been flying out. So get over there. People are checking them out. If I can get a full shave out of this, that 1/4, then you're getting 40 shaves, aren't you? You know, personally, what I like to do is I like to scoop them out, have a shave, make a video, and then I will send that on to somebody. Look at that. Pop it in the post. Absolutely nothing. Send it to anybody you like. That tends to be what I do. Okay, John, enough. The waffleization. There it is, exactly 1/4. You've seen it. Let's see how it goes. There you go. Oh, I'm all at 6s and 7s. Basically, listen to this, guys. I went to see about my back. She said it's overhealing, and they had to squeeze it and clean it. And look at this, guys. We need a bit more water. Dip the tips. There you go. And then they had to put some steroid cream on it to stop something. They said, I was hearing there was 2 of them talking, so I ain't got a second opinion, and they said crystallization or something, and we need to stop that, so let's get some steroid cream on there. And they've put a special bandage on it because it's overhealing. I have no idea how you can overheal, but you know, they're the professionals, aren't they? There you go, guys. Look, we're getting. I've been talking and not whisking. There you go. Look at that. It smells lovely. I'm trying to figure out what I can get. Oh my word. Just got a little bit on my fingers there. It's slick. It is slick. And check them out. 10 samples for £10. Yeah, now, I always say you can, you know, there's lots of people out there after your money for shaving related items, isn't there? So, you know, you've got to be choosy about who you're giving your money to, aren't you? And that's why I think Pinnacle Grooming, at the end of the day, they never blew a trumpet about this. I didn't know it existed till they sent me that sample. So that, to me, is very good. I'm very private about when I give to charity. I really do believe when giving gifts of mercy, your left hand shouldn't know what your right hand is doing. That's just me, you know. But here we go. And that's what Pinnacle did. You know, they didn't blow a trumpet. They didn't say, look, we've named it after a charity and we'll give 5%. Just put that out there and give all proceeds. So that's worthy, isn't it? Here we go. Oh, you'll get 20% off as well. Right, come on, stop. It's not an advert for Pinnacle Grooming, although I am using or championing their stuff. Here you go, merica razor. Now, this is on the website as a mild to medium. Wow. That's very, very efficient indeed. Very efficient indeed. Yeah, so I was in with a nurse a lot longer than I planned on being. I struggled to park because of roadworks and a one-way system. I had to walk for like half an hour, and then they were squeezing and ripping the scab off and putting some cream, and they were cleaning the hole. And then they put this, by the time they finished, guys, I was nauseous. I was like, wee, walking back to my van, you know. Yeah. But there you go. There was no pain. It was just that nauseating. I don't know. That's it. Wow. This is a really. I'm trying to think of where you would put this. I'd put this at Blackland Dart level, I've got to be honest with you. This is very, very efficient, guys. Very efficient. I know I haven't shaved since Saturday. My beard's like iron filings, but it mowed it down, didn't it? And there you go. Look at this. And it's slick stuff too. And they're a UK artisan, so we've got to champion the UK, haven't we? Oh, we're going across, aren't we? That's it. So when I get held up like that, I've got a small window of opportunity. My wife and my daughter will be back from work. They've been out at work all day. And they'll be back in about 15 minutes. And then we'll all be cooking meals and having showers and settling down and taking care of some other business. And we've got to make some plans. I haven't had anything to eat or a cup of tea. So basically when they get in around about the 6:30 mark, well, at the 6 o'clock mark, it's night over, you know? So I'm cognizant of that as well. But that merica razor, that's nice. That's very nice. Courtesy once again of Mr. Wolf. Here you go, let's have a look down here. We'll see what we can see. There you go. The features of the merica safety razor. Machined from solid state 316 stainless steel, spiral grooving along the length of the handle, a magnet in the end allows you to pick up the safety razor blades, a shorter handle allows for maximum manoeuvrability, I can testify to that. Designed as a mild to mid-level razor, I can certainly testify to it's very efficient. Available in 3 different finishes with 2 top cap engravings. There you go. That's the merica. I'll tell you what, guys, that's a really handy piece of kit. It really is. It really, really is. There you go. So we'll go back to the bowl. Let's get that, them leavings out of there. This is our 3rd pass. So, I mean, I didn't really take a lot of care, but if you did, you could certainly get 4 shaves out of 1 sample, couldn't you? Wow, can you hear that razor? I'm sorry it's a little bit rushed, guys, but whenever I got to that nurse, I mean, it's a bullet hole. Just my back, just right there, but the back, you know, so if that's to go, and it's a bullet hole really, and they're keeping it open so it can heal from the bottom up, and you know, for my flesh to fill the hole in. Sounds awful, doesn't it? But yeah, it just knocks me a bit queasy. So let me know what your shaves of the day are. And if you've stuck with me till this point in the shave, with some housekeeping, I'm planning a shave. I've spoken to a couple of people. I can't go into too much detail, but I've spoken to a couple of people this past couple of weeks, and they've both told me something that's just made me think, and it's given me an idea for a shave. So it'll be a bonus shave, and I'll explain all. So if you watch it and you think, what on earth is he doing, just bear with me, guys. Oh wow, that is. These blades are fantastic. They really, really are. I am definitely getting some more Schick blades. Absolutely wonderful. There you go. Look at that, guys. Look. We haven't even done pickups yet. Here we go. What have we got in the bowl? Come on, come on. Come on, let's get it all out. We'll try and get it out. There you go. Let's get that out. Lather mittens, guys. Lather mittens. And look. Look at that. Quite easily, look. Yeah. There's more than enough there for 4 shaves, isn't there? More than enough for 4 shaves. If you took your time, you weren't filming, you were a little bit methodical, like Laurie from Uncle L, you could quite easily get 4 shaves out of those, and they're 10 for £10. Here we go. And that's it. Let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what you thought of today's shave, and if you've used Pinnacle Grooming, mention it down there in the comments. Let me know what you think of Pinnacle Grooming. And that's it, guys. That's our shit, you know. Oh, a good shave always makes you feel better, doesn't it? It does. Real men shave. They do. Okay, let's get that out of there. Let's pull that out of there. Look at that. We did okay, guys. We did okay. I am well impressed with that merica razor. Well impressed with it. I think if one comes my way, I may well just get it. That's absolutely wonderful. Okay. Some vintage skin bracer. See, as I'm looking at the back of the bottle now, it's a different colour to what's coming up on my phone screen, but it is a regular, normal skin bracer green colour. Here we go. Skin bracer, I'll be using this more and more as the summer months come in. Oh, lovely. Oh, yes. Lovely, cooling menthol sensation. What I do is I rub it in my hair. In the really hot mornings, I rub it in my hair and then I go to work, put the window down, and I drive with my head out the window, you know, like a dog. And it cools me. There you go. After by Menin. I've got 2 of these. I don't know how. I remember buying one, but for the life of me, cannot remember buying the other one. Check that out, guys. I won't say what it looks like. Sorry. Oh, but it smells so good. It really, really does. And it absorbs right into your skin. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And that's us. That's our midweek shave. What do you think? Thanks for sticking with me, guys. I know it's been a flyer and some of you might be thinking it's just one big long advert for Pinnacle Grooming. But they've just been so good at sending me sets and sending me. So I've been talking back and forth with Jay. And then I saw that Autism soap, which is very dear to my heart, Autism. And I just think it's wonderful. So there. Anyway, look after yourselves and each other. I may well just have to abandon a shave I've had planned for about 4 weeks now and try something different on Saturday. The postmen, they've still not brought that razor. Well, they can't bring the razor. What they're going to do is they're going to bring a card. The card will have a 16-digit code on it. I will go to the post office where they will type in the 16-digit code. Only then will the customs charge, which is about £8 maybe, be generated. And then I pay that and I'll get the razor. But nobody seems to know where it is as of yet. So there'll be something else on Saturday. But it'll be a good one, won't it? It'll be a good one because we'll be having a shave. Time's bobbing on. Take care, guys. Look after yourselves. Be safe at work. Safe in the week. And I will see you on Saturday. Bye.